Hi, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. This is day 11 of the 12 days of Junk Journal Christmas put on by Linda Israel. It is so fun, and there's different tutorials by different people on the same project, so you get to see all different kinds of people doing things different ways. So you can, to me, that's a lot easier to learn, getting to see different things. Today is needle cards. Button cards. So I happen to have this that I printed out. It's from Jen's Urge, Jensurge on Etsy. Just a really cute button card, and there's one button still on it. So what I thought would be cute would be to, I picked out a bunch of white buttons just to sew them on, ink the edges. I just thought that would be really cute in a sewing journal, or really anything. But what I want to do is show you this one, and I don't remember, and I am so sorry, I don't remember where I got this. I've been collecting items for a sewing journal for a while, and so I couldn't tell you, but it is gorgeous, and I printed it at 5x7, and I just love it. And then these little tags are from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and let's see, Vintage Ribbon Spools is the name of the, I just got it off this, printed up this page. So Vintage Ribbon Spools, I guess, is the name of this collection at Ephemera's Vintage Garden. So anyway, I thought this would be really pretty. We put these buttons, they're kind of a, I'm not sure how well you can tell, but they're kind of a blue, a teal, or blue-green, grayish, which I thought would look really pretty. But we're going to attach them to here, and then we'll attach that to there. I also have, before I do that, I was going to show you these buttons I got from a lady whose mom had recently passed away, and she was cleaning out her mom's sewing room, and she had a whole ton, I got a box full of buttons. And so she sold some of her laces and buttons and things. And I thought they were really pretty. This is just really neat to me. It's just a blank card. It's stamped on the back. The company, the button company, it was 62 cents at Walmart, regularly 69 cents. But this would be really cool in a journal. You could, add some buttons back, or just use it as a journaling card. I just love that. And I considered these gorgeous pink buttons for the little tag to put on here and then placed here, but I was afraid they just wouldn't show up well enough because they're clear, but they're also pink, and I was afraid it would kind of just blend in. But those are gorgeous. So here is what I'm gonna do. Pull off these and a little metal, I guess it's a staple in there. Pull that off. Put them on here. Can you see me? Let me see. Hang on, is that better? Alright, that looks good. Just going to put them on and poke holes. Not sure if it's really poking through, but at least it'll give me a hole mark, and then I can punch it. Oops. So this might be crooked, but it's gonna have to do, because most everything I do is a little bit crooked. All right, so I'm gonna just punch these a little bigger so I can sew them easier. And I got a piece of this thread here. I don't know if it's really thick. I don't know if it's crochet thread or what, but I thought the color would be really pretty on here. Okay, here we go. If it clashes, I'm going to be really sad. In my mind, this is just going to work beautifully. It's all right. I'm going to just kind of tie it off. I don't think it's going to get any wear and tear, and I don't think it's going to be wagged around anywhere, but just in case, I want to secure it so it doesn't there we go, you know, fall off or get messed up. So have you been watching the other 12 Days of Christmas videos the other days? I'm sure that they're still available. It's not, you don't have to just watch it on the day of, you know, of the special event. Whatever you want to watch, you can watch any day. After all the 12 are up, then you can just watch them whenever you want to. Sorry. I'm trying to hurry, and that's probably my mistake. Because, you know. Oopsie. Yep, what'd I say? So we did a little bit of Christmas shopping today. Just a tiny bit, and it was so fun. We were expecting our first grandbaby in April, and we just found out today that she's a girl. So you know I had to go buy some girl stuff and some things. Because, you know, what kind of grandmother would I be, right? If I didn't just go shopping immediately. Okay. Now I'm going to cut this where it won't stick out. Can you see it okay? I think that's pretty. And I'm going to attach it there. And then I have this little one that of course I can't see now. Oh, here we go. This little, a smaller tag. Isn't that pretty? So I thought I would attach this here. And then attach this one here. And I've actually have the same buttons in a smaller size. So I was just going to add 2 of these instead of the 3. To this little smaller card. Have you ever noticed when you try to hurry, or when the video camera's turned on, everything is a mess? Okay, let me put the little holes. I'm using a self-healing mat so I don't, so I can poke the holes and not worry. I've seen people use like pieces of the foam, fun foam, or oh, you know what it is. You know what I'm talking about. Just something that you can, that's going to protect your workspace. I think this is going to be lovely. I inked around the edges of this and this already. I haven't inked the other one yet. You don't have to. Some things I actually don't ink. Or some things I ink with a green or pink or whatever. I'm not necessarily married to the browns like so many people are. A lot of things, I don't really care if it looks vintage. I just want it to look cool or pretty, so I don't really... but I did do this with the brown. Let's see. Vintage photo. Because I actually like that look on this. Okay, one more little knot and then we are secure. Ink this one and we'll be ready to glue this stuff together. I think that just looks so pretty on that color. Just makes it look restful to me. I'm not sure why. Alright, so tell me what you think. I'm going to put that there. And then put the baby right here. Well, you didn't say you didn't like it, so it's going to go there, huh? And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and glue on my little holes where the needle holes are, just to secure a little extra on the buttons. Oops. Got a little happy with the glue right there. As much as I love this Fabri-Tac or 3-in-1, and I just really get aggravated with the mess it can make. But I still use it all the time. It's my favorite. Might have been better. See, this is in the center, so the threads and stuff on the back are in the middle, so you still can put the sides down. This is over on the side, so it's kind of making it off kilter just a bit. So I'm gonna hold it down. That's straight. So you love it? I think that's so pretty. And it's a 5x7, so it'll fit in a big, like the 8.5 by 5.5. It'll fit on a page or as a tip out, or even on the back inside cover or something. But I love it, and I am so excited. And thank you, Linda, for having this be one of the days, because I would never have done this. I love it. All right. Thank you so much, and I hope that you are enjoying these fabulous 12 Days of Christmas tutorials that Linda's put together. All right, thanks for watching.